let's just make sure that we know what happened there. All you do is you multiply the coefficients. What the coefficients are the numbers. What do you just see? You just multiply the numbers. So all you did was 5 times 2 is 10, and it happens to be an x there. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. 3 times 3x is 9x, and then 3 times 1 is 3. Sort of good? Courtney, what do I do now, please?
10x equals 9x plus 3.
Very good. So again, all she did there, thank you very much, was the negative when it comes across sides. Hannah, what do you do now, please?
10x equals 9x plus 3.
X plus 18, you said, I hope? Lovely. All right, Kira, what do you do now, please? Okay, good. So 10x minus 9x equals 1x. 9x equals 18, which just means x is 1. Okay? Again, we've been doing this pretty much every day through the year so far. So hopefully things are sort of good. Okay, so again, it's always sort of the same. X is on the left, numbers on the right. So get rid of the brackets first, right? Then X on the left, numbers on the right. We did this on Friday and yesterday. It was the time and a half. So let me read it through one more time. Excuse me. Cassie earns $8 per hour. Not an expensive job, but that's okay. After 40 hours, she earns time and a half. How much will she earn if she works 52 hours? Now, some people do a table on this, and that's okay. Tables I love. In this case, I'm only asking for 52 hours, okay? So, Jake, you want to take this? Go ahead.
Sure. I don't know if it was right. I just did 8 times 52 times 1.5.
No.
Right?
Okay, now hold on a second. Now, the problem with that is, you want to help? Riley, go ahead.
What? What?
Just answer the question.
Give me the answer?
Yes, go ahead.
Creating.
How'd you get that? How'd you get that?
8 times 40.
Yeah?
And then 14. I mean 12 times 12.
Now, let's just make sure what happened here. Let's just make sure, okay? So this is going to be your regular time. What does that 8 represent for the regular time? This is the important part. This is your dollars, right? This is your money, right? What does the 40 represent? This is the key to this question. What does the 40 represent? Yeah, because up to 40 hours, it's going to be hours. This on the right-hand side is your overtime. Okay. Okay, the 12s are both the same. What's the 112 represent? Yeah, because this is your time and a half salary. Right? If you need to know how you get that, we did 8 times 1.5, which should equal 12. Right. What does the other 12 represent? The leftover hours, right? The first 40 are at regular, the last 40 are at time and a half, right? So these are the leftover hours. You got that, you just did 52 minus 40 equals 12. Okay. And Riley, what did you say the answer was for that? 384, I think? How much? 464. I think that should be, let me just work it out in my head here. It should be 320. 320 plus 144 should be 464 here. Okay, probably from now until the test, we're going to do a warm question like this to make sure we get it down. Because some people, I think, understand it 100%, and I think some people understand it 25%. Okay, meaning you sort of get it, but you sort of don't. Okay, so we'll work a little bit like this. I'm not going to make you do the whole table because it takes a lot of time. If you want to do the whole table, go ahead. Feel free, that's fine. Okay, but I'll just do little quicker questions like this. You weren't interested, were you? You were late, though. Yeah. You're here at the beginning. Okay. Right. Is this sort of okay? Okay. Sierra, you weren't here at all yesterday. Does letter B help you good at all or not really? Okay, just the thought is here, if there's 52 hours, they work all together. You're thinking the first 40 hours, you earn your regular money, so it's $8 an hour. Then your second 12 hours gets you up to 52. You get time and a half, so you get more money. That's what they're saying for that. So $8 an hour for the first 40, and then the next 12 hours you get $12 an hour. Okay, we'll do another one tomorrow. I'm gonna hit stop here. You can talk to your neighbor, and then we'll get started on today's lesson.